Welcome to the Half-Hour English Listening channel. Hi, everyone. How are you today? Today, we'll learn a dialogue that takes place in a fast food restaurant. In this video, you'll hear a light and engaging story about two co-workers having a meal and taking a short break at a fast food restaurant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Listen carefully and see if you can find the answer in the story. So, here is the question. What did Mary order for lunch? If you find the answer, write it in the comments. Writing in English will help you improve your skills. All right, let's begin. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Are you okay? Mary, you don't look very energetic.
I'm fine. I'm just a bit hungry.
Me too. I haven't eaten much this morning.
I was so busy with emails. I didn't even have time for breakfast.
Same here. I just grabbed a quick cup of coffee.
I feel so tired. I need food and a break.
Yes, it's been a long morning. My stomach is growling.
It's almost noon. Do you want to go out for lunch?
That sounds good. I want to eat something soon.
Where should we go? Any ideas?
How about we go to the new fast food place near the office?
A fast food place? I didn't even know about it. Where is it?
It's just around the corner. It's very close. We can walk there.
Really? That's so close. I had no idea a new place opened.
Yeah, it opened last week. I saw it on my way to work.
That's great. I'm so excited. I love trying new food.
Me too, it sounds pretty good. I think we should give it a try.
Okay, let's go. I want to eat something tasty right now.
Wait a minute. Let me save my work first.
Sure, take your time. I'll get my bag ready.
All done. I'm ready now. Let's go have lunch.
Wow, the sun is so bright today. It feels warm outside.
Yeah, it's nice to walk to lunch. I like that.
Do you know what kind of food they have?
I'm not sure, but I saw burgers, sandwiches, and drinks on the sign.
That sounds good. I feel like having something light today.
Maybe they have wraps or salads.
Yeah, we can check the menu when we get there. What are you going to have?
I might get a burger. I'm pretty hungry today.
Sounds good. Are you going to get a drink, too?
Yes, maybe a soda. What about you?
I'll probably get some juice.
All right. Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go. I can't wait to eat.
Look, The fast food place is just ahead.
Oh, I see it now. It looks new and clean.
Yes, the sign is very bright. I like the colors they used.
Let's go in. I want to see the menu inside.
Okay, I hope there aren't too many people.
It's not too crowded. That's good.
I can smell the food. It smells so good.
Yes, it smells really fresh. I'm so hungry now.
Look at the tables. They look clean and comfortable.
And the counter is big. We can see all the food behind it. I already like this place. It looks really nice here.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a beef burger, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And a soda.
No problem. What size soda would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. Would you like to make it a combo? A medium soda, medium fries, and a beef burger will be cheaper than ordering separately.
Oh, sure, I'll take the combo.
Great. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Could I have some extra ketchup? Is that free?
Yes, it's free. I'll put a few extra packets on your tray. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That'll be $8.99. Will you be paying by cash or card?
Card, please.
Just tap your card here. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready at the counter in a few minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have a chicken burger, please.
Would you like fries or a salad with that?
I'd like a salad, please. And a glass of juice.
Sure. For the salad, we have ranch or vinaigrette. Which one do you prefer?
Vinaigrette, please. And for the juice, do you have orange or apple?
Both freshly squeezed orange or chilled apple.
I'll take the orange juice.
Great. Would you like to upgrade your salad to a large size for just $1 extra?
No, thanks. Regular is fine.
Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, anything else?
Actually, could I get some mayo on the side?
Of course, that'll be $7.50. How would you like to pay?
Cash. Here's $10.
And here's your change to 50. Your number is 42. Please wait at the pickup counter. It'll be about 5 minutes.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hey, George. Have you ordered yet?
I just ordered. I got the beef burger. How about you?
Nice. I got the chicken burger with a salad. Let's find a table to sit down while we wait.
Sure, let's find a table to sit down. How about this one by the window?
Oh, that's perfect. I like sitting by the window.
These chairs are comfortable, and the table is clean.
Yes, everything looks good here. I hope the food is just as good.
What's your order number? Mine is 41.
I got 42. They said it would take about 5 minutes.
Good. Let's just relax until our numbers are called.
Hey, look at the screen. Both 41 and 42 are up at the same time.
Perfect. I'll go grab both orders. You stay here and watch our seats.
Sounds good. Thanks.
No problem. I'll be right back with our food. Here's the fast food you wanted. Let's eat while it's hot.
Great. Thank you. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Wow, my beef burger looks amazing.
My chicken burger looks really tasty too.
Let's try it. Let me try my burger first.
How is it?
It's really delicious. The meat is very juicy, and the bread is nice and soft.
That sounds nice. Let me try my chicken burger.
How does it taste?
This is good, too. The chicken is fresh. Are the fries good?
Yes, they are hot and crispy.
My salad is really fresh too. I like it a lot. How is your drink?
It's cold and refreshing. Just what I need.
That's great. My juice is nice and sweet.
This place is better than I expected.
Yes, the food is simple, but it tastes good.
And the service is fast. We didn't wait too long.
That's true. It's a good place for a quick lunch.
By the way, how was your work this morning?
It was busy. I had a lot of emails and meetings.
Same here. I've been working on that report all morning.
Oh, really? Is it almost done?
Almost. I just need to check a few things after lunch.
That's good. I still have some work to finish this afternoon.
I'm really full. I feel much better now.
Me too. I have more energy now.
I think this lunch break was a good idea.
Yes, it really helps.
I think I will come here again sometime.
Yeah, it's a good option near the office.
That was a really nice lunch.
Yes, I'm full now and feel very satisfied.
Me too. The burger was really good.
And my chicken burger was very fresh. I liked it a lot.
I'm glad we tried this new place.
Yes, it's a good place for lunch.
Let's head back to the office now.
Okay, let's go back and continue working.
Wait a moment. Let me throw this away first.
Good idea. I'll clean up my tray, too.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
That was a nice break. I feel more relaxed now.
Me too. I have more energy for the afternoon.
Next time, I want to try something different.
Oh, really? What do you want to try?
I want to try a wrap next time. It looked really good.
That sounds like a good idea.
There are many things on the menu.
Yes, we can try something new next time.
All right, let's get back to work.
Yes, back to work.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question again. What did Mary order for lunch? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Even a short sentence is perfect. By practicing English like this, you can improve your listening and speaking skills more easily and efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and simple English conversations to help beginners confidently understand and speak English. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.